Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you can scroll through the list of icons, that there's quite a few as you can see. Find the Do Not Disturb mode icon. This one looks like the moon. And once you find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and you want to enable the mode, tap on the icon, scroll down and tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also check the box to not show this message again if you want to see it again. And once you confirm the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled, you can tell by the icon on the watch face right here, or if you open the quick panel, the Do Not Disturb mode icon will be highlighted basically. And if you want to disable the mode, of course open the quick panel, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it, you will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off. And if you go back to watch face, the icon will disappear and the icon on the quick panel will basically not be highlighted anymore. It will go back to the gray color. Another thing you can do is to press and hold on the Do Not Disturb mode icon to open the Do Not Disturb mode menu, and here we can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. We can also tap on customize, and here you can enable and disable some features to skip Do Not Disturb mode basically. And if you enable them, so let's say this one is enabled, calls from start contacts, and somebody from start contacts calls you, you have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled on your watch, the notification will go through anyway because it is turned on right here. And we have start contacts, repeat callers, alarm and timers, and media sounds. But you can also disable them if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.